Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. How long does it take to receive 1,000 e-transfer on Newton? I've been using Newton for a while now, and I've found it to be a great platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency. However, one thing that I've noticed is that it can take a while to receive e-transfers. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with receiving e-transfers on Newton, and I'll also give you some tips on what you can do to speed up the process. Main content. How long does it take to receive 1,000 e-transfer on Newton? The amount of time it takes to receive an e-transfer on Newton varies, depending on a number of factors, including the time of day that you send the e-transfer, the bank that you're sending the e-transfer from, the bank that you're receiving the e-transfer to, the amount of the e-transfer. In my experience, it usually takes 1 to 2 business days to receive an e-transfer on Newton. However, I've also had e-transfers take up to 5 business days to arrive. Send your e-transfer early in the day. This will give the bank more time to process your transaction. Use a bank that is supported by Newton. Newton supports a number of major banks, so you're more likely to receive your e-transfer quickly if you use one of these banks. Make sure that the bank account you're sending the e-transfer to is correct. If the bank account information is incorrect, the e-transfer will be delayed. Check with your bank to see if they have any processing delays. If your bank is experiencing any delays, it could take longer to receive your e-transfer. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is easy. Here's how to do it. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send the BTC to. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you've sent the BTC, it will be transferred to the wallet you specified. The amount of time it takes for the BTC to arrive will depend on the network congestion. Receiving e-transfers on Newton can take some time, but there are a few things you can do to speed up the process. By following the tips in this video, you should be able to receive your e-transfers quickly and easily. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.